very beautiful. I'm going to dip my hands in now. Oven grill, nicely done. Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well. Today we are going to make Banku and another Banku special by using our Ghana Taste Banku mix. Yes, so stay tuned. We need to clean our fish. Alright, so we have mackerel here. We have 3 mackerels that we're going to use. So I'm going to start cutting the fins and everything. I've finished cleaning the fish, so I'm adding salt in my water here. Alright, okay, and I'm going to dip the fish in and leave it for about 10 minutes before I start anything. Alright, that's it. So for season our fish, we have red onion, garlic, ginger, 1 scotch bonnet, and spring onion, and lemon, half a lemon. Here we have salt, thyme, and basil, and also white pepper that we're going to use. And for the Banku sauce, we are going to use this. We have bell pepper, all the colors. We have tomatoes, we have onion, ginger, garlic, and scotch bonnet. So first we are going to blend this. And sorry, forgot that one. This is our Banku mix that we are going to use. We have never used this before, so today we are going to try and see how it is like. Okay, so everything is in here. I'm going to add my salt. So that's a half teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of thyme, teaspoon also basil, and a teaspoon black pepper also. Now I'm going to add the lemon juice. So squeeze this one first. Alright, everything has to come out. I need all the juice I can get. Alright, so it's going in there. Done. And also going to add a bit of oil, vegetable oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. Alright, okay, that's it. So I'm using my hand blender to blend everything together. So this is my sauce. I have tasted it. It's a bit not hot for my taste, so I'm going to add a bit of chili pepper in there. So that much, okay, of chili pepper. Now we are going to marinate our fish. Okay, so here this sauce is really hot. Just in case you do it too hot, make sure you wear gloves before you spread the sauce on. I haven't got gloves today, so I'm going to use my spoon and my brush here. Alright, so first you open it, you put some sauce inside like that. Make sure it goes everywhere properly. The second one, the same. You can put as much as you want, and there is your fish. Okay, and then once it's finished, you put some on top like that. And this is where your brush comes in, so you brush it but if you have gloves, you can use your hands. Leave this one, yeah, after leaving it in the oven for about 30 minutes. I will turn it and spread again the sauce on it and go back again, and we'll be done. So now I have spray my grill. You can use oil. I have coconut oil spray, yeah, that I'm using, but you can use the normal oil that you have, okay? And then just put your fish on top of it like that. Inside the oven for about 15 minutes, and then I'll turn it again another 15 minutes. Then the fish is going to the oven for 15 minutes first, and then I'll turn it, like I said earlier, on the 180 degrees. Okay, I have my blender here. I'm going to start doing my sauce, which I'm going to cut my bell peppers into pieces. Okay, I have added everything in there. I'm going to also add oil into it. That much is enough. Okay, and I'm going to blend this. Everything is in there, and we are going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes, and it will be done. So I'm going to add also thyme, salt, black pepper, and I have ground prawns that I'm going to use also. So I'll have about 1 tablespoon and a half. Okay, and you mix this together. Taste it if the salt is okay for you. If not, you can add more. All right. Okay, so this is going on the fire. We're going to make our banku. We're using our Ghana taste banku mix. So we are going to add this into this pot. I am going to use about 3 cups. Let's say 3 cups. Okay, let's see. That's 3 cups. There should be 3 cups in there. And I'm going to add water also into it. About 2 cups of water in there, and mix it. It's different from the normal banku that we're used to, but today we say that we're going to try and see how it tastes like and how good it is. Is it tastes the same as the original one? We don't know. So I'm adding more water. I found out that the quantity that I took earlier was too small, so I end up by using the whole pot. The whole thing. Yes, the whole thing. There's not much in there. I don't know how much banku is going to give me, but let's wait and see. So now I'm going to add my salt. So I will have about 1 teaspoon of salt in there. That's it. Mix it. Okay. And now it's going on the fire. Going to cook it. See, this is our fish. It has been there for 15 minutes. So now I'm going to add more sauce into it. I don't want the sauce to stay behind for nothing, so I'm painting it. I'm a good painter, so I'm painting and brushing it and everything on it. Okay, and it's going back again in the oven for another 15 minutes and it'll be done. So this is our banku in progress. We are getting there. Okay, I find it really easy to do because the normal one sometimes I struggle a bit. This one is smooth and it's easy to do. So now it's getting hard a bit, so I'm going to add water into it, about a cup of water in there, and I'm going to leave it to cook. Alright, let's see, leave it to cook. So voila, our banku and mackerel is done. So we have made 3 balls of banku from that big pot of banku flour. Yes, and then we have our pepper sauce that we did, a bit of tomatoes and onion and scotch bonnet, and we have our shito here, and then we have our fish. Look at this, beautiful. So it's done. So I hope this was helpful to you. If you want to try the banku mix, do try. It's wonderful. It tastes good, it tastes really nice and simple to do and easy as well. So thanks for coming and hope to see you again. Bye.